This video has been organized to identify duties of the Office of the Treasurer. The Treasurer has many direct responsibilities that affect the ongoing health of the chapter. From working with the Executive Board, paying fees, keeping a current balance, and preparing a budget, to working with the Heritage Center staff, this role is vital to the success of the chapter. This person will also perform a chapter audit and be responsible for the convention savings plan. Additional duties also include starting and maintaining a travel savings account and ensuring a healthy beginning balance in the checking or savings account for the start of each academic term. As the position in charge of the chapter's finances, the treasurer needs to maintain the current balance of your checking account. At all times, you should know how much money is in the chapter's accounts and if it is enough to cover the upcoming expenses. You also need to know the chapter's accounts payable. What money does the chapter owe the Heritage Center, other members, and outside parties? Lastly, you need to know the chapter's accounts receivable. How much money will the chapter collect for chapter operations? All this information is necessary to keep an accurate balance of your account and ensure you're able to pay your bills on time. At each meeting, the treasurer should share the financial standing with the chapter. Aside from knowing the financial information, the treasurer is responsible for actually paying the bills. Student member dues are due October 15th and February 15th, and insurance is due October 15th. These two invoices are sent out on the first business day of September in the fall and the first business day of January in the spring. Insurance is billed only once per year. You have 45 days to remit payment. The pledge induction fees and initiation fees are invoiced when you report them online. You have 30 days to pay from the date the invoice was printed, but to get points for the ACR, you must pay within 7 business days of the ceremony. Lastly, the convention savings plan is mailed out in October and February. Keep track of all of your invoices and credits to be able to reconcile back to your statement and ensure you are paying the correct amount. At the start of each semester, cover the fees of the chapter and ensure you are collecting the money early enough to be able to make the payment when it's due. The use of the Finance app in ChapterSpot is currently optional, but does allow chapters to send an invoice to members and allow them to pay the chapter through ChapterSpot, including setting up a payment plan. While the chapter can have members pay them through ChapterSpot, you cannot pay the Heritage Center through ChapterSpot. As fees are paid to the Heritage Center, the treasurer also needs to remember to complete the checklist tasks that are assigned to them. For additional information, please visit the website or contact your